An oil separator is cheap insurance against engine damage and one of the easiest things you can install in your late model Mustang. Today we're going to show you how to install BBK's oil separator on this 2012 Mustang GT. This BBK oil separator is going to fit your 2011 through 2017 V8 Mustang. The job of the oil separator is to keep oil vapors from entering back through the intake from the PCV system. Over time, this has caused issues with the valves, can actually degrade engine performance. Pretty much all you have to do once you have this installed is every time you change your oil, just unscrew this and pour out any oil that is accumulated. Now, even if you've never opened the hood of your Mustang, as long as you know how to do that, you can install an oil separator. All you're going to do is pop off this cover, just lift up, and push this little gray tab here to release this side. Do the same thing over here. Now grab your oil separator and thread in both of these pieces. Put it down into place and clip it back on. Make sure it clicks and your installation's finished. The oil separator is barely noticeable under the hood, but something you'll be very thankful that you have. And as we showed you, the installation couldn't be easier. It should take you no more than about 5 minutes, no tools required, and back on the road in no time.